Okay, let's talk fencing. What's the smartest choice for a Melbourne home? Let's find out.
You know how Melbourne weather is, right? It can be absolutely brutal on fences. So, your classic timber fence, it rots, it warps, and it's a ton of work. The modern alternative everyone talks about is Colorbond steel. So, what is it really? It's basically engineered to survive Australian conditions. We're talking a lifespan of over 30 years. It's built tough, specifically for places like Melbourne. So, let's see why it works. First off, it really lasts. You're looking at a proven lifespan of well over 20 years. The secret to its strength? It's all in the science, a tough, multi-layered construction. And the maintenance? Look at this. Forget annual painting. Just hose it down sometimes. It's also great for privacy and security. No gaps, and it's seriously tough to climb. Now, being tough doesn't mean it's ugly. You've actually got a lot of style options. From modern to classic, there are a bunch of different profiles to fit your home's vibe. Plus, you get to pick from over 20 designer colors, so you can match it perfectly. You see these a lot around Melbourne, colors like Monument and Surf Mist. They just work. So how does this actually become your new fence? Well, the process is surprisingly simple. It's a neat 4-step process, from the first chat all the way to final inspection. And get this, for most homes, the whole job is done in just a day or two. That efficiency is exactly why people say the whole experience is so smooth and professional. So let's boil it down. You get a fence that lasts, looks great, and is so easy to own. So it's not just a fence, is it? It's a smart investment you won't have to worry about again.